The next honoree is Mr. Owen Hinds. By now, most of you here should know that back in 2019, the foundation shipped a 40-foot container to Jamaica and converted it into a dental suite. The JAHJAH Foundation is very lucky to have volunteers with expertise not only in medicine, but with other very important skills that are required to support their initiatives. This retrofitting work for the dental and women's health clinic was done by none other than Mr. Owen Hinds. He volunteered his time and worked alongside our the local champion, Delroy Jones, showing passion and commitment as they worked diligently through Christmas and New Year holidays. He left his home in New York during a time that is typically spent with family and worked tirelessly from 6 a.m. until late at night to get the job completed within a month before the mission team arrived in January. Mr. Hinds is a humble person, and even though public recognition is something he would rather not have, the foundation could not let this tremendous contribution go unrecognized. Ladies and gentlemen, the board of directors of the JAHJAH Foundation is honored to present Mr. Owen Hinds with the JAHJAH Angel Award.
Yes, indeed. Good evening, everyone. I am grateful that I had this opportunity to help the foundation in the mission and provide the healthcare in Jamaica. Thank you very much.